Hello folks, almost 10 years ago Samsung began its revolution in the smartphone industry by releasing models with large screens. Now the company wants to do the same with tablets, releasing a completely unique beast with a 14.6-inch screen, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. This is the largest tablet I've ever seen. Moreover, the first impressions of this size were like, man, is it too big? After all, it really is. This is not the tablet that is convenient to hold in your hands all the time. However, if you use it a little differently, for example on the table, then it becomes much more meaningful. In this video, I want to focus on the practical experience of using this tablet. I want you to clearly understand who should buy this tablet. Let's go! So yes, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is big. Very big. Nevertheless, it's built like most other tablets we've come across, with a flat glass front, aluminum frame and a rectangular shape. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is remarkably thin. It seems like it would be easy to break the tablet in half with bare hands, but I haven't tried. In any case, it must be handled very carefully. But the tablet has a completely dumb feature: treacherous notch at the top of the display. It's small, but it's there and I really don't like it. But the display is so large that this intrusion is not so noticeable. To me, it's more about the idea of such a decision by Samsung that I don't like. But no matter how I feel about it, the cutout has certain purposes. First, to make bezel thin. Secondly, the notch houses the excellent webcam system, consisting of a 12-megapixel sensor and a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor with a 120-degree field of view. There is a magnetic strip on the back for S Pen and a dual camera system consisting of a 13-megapixel main and a 6-megapixel ultrawide. On the left and right sides of the tablet, there are two grills for speakers, and at the bottom of the tablet there are keyboard connectors. This 14.6-inch display is impressive. The screen uses AMOLED technology, so the colors are rich and the contrast is high, which is especially useful for creative people who need good color accuracy. The picture is super sharp. Thanks to such a large size, everything from Instagram stories to YouTube videos looks incredibly beautiful. Just wow! The S Pen has been gaining popularity lately thanks to its comeback in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, the S Pen on the smartphone and the one that comes with the tablet are completely different tools. The S Pen stored inside the Galaxy phone is much smaller and thinner. Usually, you don't use it on the phone for too long. But the S Pen for a tablet is a different story. As the pen is normal size and the screen is much larger than a phone screen, having an S Pen makes you want to use it as often as possible. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra runs Android 12 with Samsung's One UI, so it's basically a giant Samsung smartphone. However, you have some problems with apps on this screen. Many of them are not well optimized for large screens, especially for landscape orientation. This is indeed a problem that app developers don't want to fix. Samsung, in turn, is trying to fix this with DeX mode. This is a special mode from the navigation bar that turns the user interface into a Windows PC-like desktop. This means applications can open in small, resizable windows. For example, TikTok on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra looks much better in DeX mode. In addition to the fact that applications scale correctly, they also allow you to enhance multitasking capabilities. You can have 3 or 4 windows open at the same time, and thanks to the large 14.6-inch screen, information doesn't feel too cramped or tiny. In general, this is incredibly useful mode for a Galaxy Tab. It provides a level of multitasking that no other tablet can achieve. Working on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra in DeX mode is a pure pleasure. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is also great for gaming, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and plenty of RAM, 8, 12 or 16 GB depending on configuration. Shooters like Call of Duty are even easier to control than on a phone. This is just an incredible immersive gaming experience. The quad speaker system sounds powerful with decent bass, so it's obviously a great machine for watching movies or just listening to music. The webcam is very good for video calls, much better than laptop webcams. Video quality resembles typical selfie cameras of Samsung smartphones. You can also connect your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra to your Windows PC via Wi-Fi and use your tablet as a second screen. The 11,200 mAh battery is as huge as the screen. When I use the machine in intensive mode, it consumes about 10% per hour. This This is not bad, but keep in mind that if you use it like that all the time, you will have to charge it every day. In the end, I can say that the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is a device for both entertainment and routine life tasks, of course with a slight focus on entertainment. If you need a device for work, then I would still recommend a laptop, especially considering the price of this tablet. It is big, from $1,100, plus you must definitely buy a keyboard cover. At the same time, it is completely wrong to perceive it solely for entertainment. No, it is a workstation with a screen that will allow you to get closer to the computer experience. Also, the tablet is well suited for video calls. And don't forget about the Samsung ecosystem. The tablet has many interesting features within the One UI ecosystem in terms of interaction with other Samsung devices, headphones, smartphones and so on. And finally, the S Pen. Yes, if you work with graphics, make frequent notes and so on, then you will appreciate the capabilities of the tablet. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will allow you to combine work and entertainment in one stylish device. But what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also guys, share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching and good luck!